Have you ever sat down to study for hours only to realize at the end that you barely remember anything? It feels like you were busy the whole time, but not really productive. This is one of the biggest traps students and professionals fall into, thinking that the more time you spend with your books or laptop, the more you'll learn. The truth is, that couldn't be further from reality. In this video, we're going to uncover the hidden mistakes that waste your study time, then dive into science-backed hacks to learn faster, and finally, I'll show you how to turn those hacks into daily habits that stick. By the end, you'll have a system that makes studying not just more effective, but almost automatic. The hidden mistakes that waste your study time. Research shows that most students waste 40 to 60 of their study sessions on ineffective methods like passive reading, re-highlighting notes, or endlessly copying what they already know. It feels comfortable, but it doesn't lead to real learning. Think about it. Have you ever opened a book and thought, I'll just read until I get tired? That's not studying, it's wandering. Without a roadmap, your brain doesn't know where to focus. Hours disappear with little to show. Cramming is another trap. It feels intense, but the knowledge fades almost instantly. Add in distractions, phones buzzing, messages popping up, YouTube open in another tab, and your brain pays an attention tax every time you switch tasks. And let's not forget the false sense of progress from highlighting page after page. Passive reading tricks you into believing you understand the material, when in reality, it's slipping through your fingers. Here's the bottom line: studying harder is not the same as studying smarter. Once you identify these hidden mistakes, you instantly free up hours of wasted time and create space for methods that actually work. Science-backed hacks to learn faster and remember more. Now that we know what doesn't work, let's focus on what does. These study hacks are backed by psychology and neuroscience, and they can change the way you learn forever. Hack 1: Active recall. Don't just reread, test yourself. Every time you force your brain to pull information from memory, you strengthen the connection. Instead of re-highlighting a chapter, close the book and explain it out loud. Hack 2: Spaced repetition. Beat the forgetting curve by reviewing material at intervals. Tools like Anki or Notion flashcards are perfect for this. Just 15 minutes a day of spaced repetition beats hours of cramming. Hack 3: The Pomodoro technique. Study in sprints. 25 minutes of focus, 5 minutes of break. This keeps your brain sharp and prevents burnout. Over time, you'll even extend your focus sessions naturally. Hack 4: The Feynman technique. If you can't explain it simply, you don't really know it. Break concepts down as if you're teaching a child. It exposes gaps in your knowledge and rebuilds understanding. Hack 5: Environmental design. Create a study-only zone. Your brain associates environments with behaviors. If your desk is where you watch Netflix, studying there won't work. Keep your space clean, distraction-free, and dedicated to deep work. Imagine studying half as much but remembering twice as much. That's the power of aligning your habits with science. But here's the challenge: anyone can use a hack for a day. The real winners are the ones who make them stick. How to turn study hacks into daily habits that stick. Knowing hacks is one thing. Living them daily is another. This is where habit science comes in. Step 1: Start small. Don't try to overhaul your life in a week. Instead of promising 6 hours of study, start with 1 Pomodoro session. Instead of 100 flashcards, start with 5. Small wins stack into big momentum. Step 2: Anchor new habits. Use habit stacking. Attach new behaviors to routines you already do. After brushing your teeth, review flashcards. After coffee, set a study timer. After dinner, practice explaining a concept. Step 3: Shape your environment. Keep tools in sight: timers, notebooks, flashcards. Hide distractions. Don't rely on willpower when you can design your surroundings to make studying the obvious choice. Step 4: Use accountability and rewards. Track your streaks, join a study group, or tell a friend your goals. After a study session, reward yourself. Your brain starts associating studying with something positive. Step 5. Focus on identity, not just goals. Don't just aim to study more. Aim to become the type of person who studies smart every day. Each session, each recall test, each habit is a vote for that identity. Over time, those votes create an unshakable self-image. When you turn hacks into habits, you're not just preparing for exams, you're preparing for life. These same skills will help you in your career, business, and personal growth. Here's the truth: most people study harder but not smarter. You're different now. You've learned how to spot the mistakes that waste your time, apply science-backed hacks that actually work, and most importantly, lock them in with habits that last. Imagine sitting down to study and knowing that every minute counts. Imagine remembering what you learn not just tomorrow, but months from now. That's the power of smart studying. So let me ask you, which of these hacks will you try today? Comment below and share your favorite, I'd love to know. And if you want more strategies to master your time, focus, and habits, hit that subscribe button. Because the next video dives into how to defeat procrastination once and for all.